Hello everyone, welcome back to the future. In today's tutorial, I will walk through a logo design process from start to finish. So let's begin. Okay, let's take a look at the client brief. Our client is a consumer electronic company who makes new digital devices. They need an abstract logo in purple color. First I highlight the main keywords from the client brief, then I will begin with the mind mapping process. In the beginning of the mind mapping process, I will take the main keywords from the client brief and find related words matching the main keywords. After finding the related keywords, I will take an idea and begin sketching process. I already done sketching. So this is the logo. It's a simple logo. The middle circle is a little bit bigger than the other circles. The idea for the logo was inspired by the Victoria Crucian newspaper. It is the strongest leaf in the world. The logo has 9 circles. It symbolizes a group of people. The strength of the leaf symbolizes the human relationship. I will fast forward designing process. There are some videos I have done teaching you designing means. I will put the link in the description of that video.
I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries but always had plans. The only thing I did was dig out the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh. Hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration. Don't need no validation. No more medication. Just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me. Feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. Well, maybe I'm done, maybe I've lost. Still putting up a fight because I love my mom, I love my family. When I was young, they would all look after me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I spend my life overthinking my purpose. I can't really cry, I'm so used to the hurt. Trauma keeps up at me at the wrong moment. Oh, I just wanna numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. To numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain.
What do you think? Tell me your thought on the comments. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.